The database that I'll be discussing in this video is SIRS Discoverer. Now, it's different than the other ones that I've discussed previously because this one is all about current events. So this is where you're going to get newspaper articles, magazine articles from reliable sources. You would want to use it when you're researching for a debate or you're researching something current for civics classes, if you're starting to research the upcoming presidential election. So you'll get into it the same way that you do the others. You'll go to the library homepage. You'll make sure you're logged into Schoology and your Albemarle County Google account. Then, scroll down in a second once I focus this again. Scroll down to databases. The passwords will be here in the Google Doc that you need to be logged into your Albemarle County account to access. And then go to General Databases, click on SIRS Discoverer. It is a little longer to load than the others, I have noticed. Once it is loaded, you're going to want to do one more login, and that is to log in with Google. That's so you can save articles. And if it asks you which Google account, log in with your Albemarle County one. That's the one that's approved, not your personal one. So there are a couple different ways that you can research. You can just start typing right into the search box if you already know 100% what you want to do. And then you can even use the advanced search. That's good because you can really narrow down. I don't recommend doing that until you're 100% sure on what you want. But you can also just explore different topics. So countries, animals, and issues. So we can just scroll down. We can look at current topics. Click on remote learning. And it gives you a really great landing page for the whole topic. Contents, terms to know, gives you all the background. And then that is really great for getting started. And then it will give you the essential question. So if you're debating, it will actually help you find articles that go with each different viewpoint. And you can see it tells you if it's coming from a newspaper, a magazine, you've got critical thinking questions, etc. But unfortunately, it doesn't help you as much with finding the individual articles. It's a lot of background if you just click on the topic. So now we'll go and type in remote learning in our search box and see what we get that's different. So we do get that landing page, but then we get a lot more articles. On the left side, you can narrow things down: newspapers, magazines, images, books. You can also say, I want stuff that's more recent, like the last 30 days, or you could look at stuff from, say, April of 2020 and see how opinions have changed. So we'll click on this recent article. We have a little bit of information. We know where it's from, TCA Original News, but I'm just going to show you a few features of it. And then there are a lot of cool features, but the best feature, I think, is the citation and the save to cloud. So citation, you click on that and you get all sorts of different options for citing it, and you can just copy it. If you have a Noodle Tools or EasyBib account, you can use that. And then we have Save to Cloud, and this is why I had you log in before. You click on Save to Cloud, and I choose to save it to my Google Drive. And now it is saved in my Google Drive. To find it can be a little bit tough. Go into your Google Drive, click Recent, and then you'll find the article. So it doesn't look as pretty as it did before. Sometimes it can mess with the formatting, but it's really great. You don't have to log into anything extra in the future to access that. Another cool feature of SIRS Discoverer is that there are some nonfiction books. So you can click on that and you can either look at all of them or you can just dig around in a topic and you can find nonfiction books. And your teacher should say that these are the same as getting a book from the library, because they are just as well researched and just as well vetted. So those are the most important features of SIRS Discoverer. I hope you use it in the future.